60-minute core yoga, part 1. Activate the deep core. Return to exercise after the holidays. Don't gain weight, lose weight, and shape your body. Reshape the waist and abdomen lines. Strengthen hip and leg power. The complete version of follow-along practice is ready. Let's sit on a yoga mat. Bring your big toes together, roll your shoulders down, and settle into diamond pose. Inhale into the chest, exhale and drop the shoulders. Stay here for 3 to 5 breaths. Find your shoulders dropping down and your spine growing taller. Inhale and let your rib cage, abdomen, and chest expand outwards. Exhale, pull your ribs inward and activate your core. Bring your awareness and consciousness back to the present moment. Inhale again into the chest and back. Exhale and relax. Clasp your hands together. Inhale, push them upwards, and bring your arms behind your ears. Exhale, arch your back and push your palms forward. Seated cat-cow stretch. Inhale, open your armpits. Exhale, arch your back high. Stretch to the back of the spine. Inhale again, lifting the chest upwards. Exhale, stretching the rhomboids and latissimus dorsi. Inhale once more, open the chest. Exhale, relax the lumbar spine. Inhale again, separate the hands and reach up. Exhale, lower your right hand and side stretch. Lift the chest and drop the hips. Seated side bend. Stretch the side waist and abdomen. 3. Relax the right shoulder. Lean the left shoulder back. 2, 1. Inhale, return to center and lift the right hand. Exhale, lower the left hand. Lean your body to the left. Rotate the right arm outward. Activate the intercostal muscles. Let each breath be more full. Exhale and stretch the latissimus dorsi and serratus anterior. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, lower both hands and relax. From here, return to the tabletop position. Open your hands shoulder-width apart and lift your shoulder blades. Open your knees hip-width apart, knees directly under the hips. Arch your back high and hold for a moment. Inhale, tilt the pelvis into cow pose. Exhale, arch the back, pull the belly up and tuck the chest. Inhale again, hollow the back, stretch the front of the abdomen and lift the head. Exhale, lift the pubic bone, stretching the entire backside. Inhale again, open the front chain of the body and lift the chest upwards. Exhale and tuck your tailbone downward. Breathe in again and feel the flow through your entire spine. Exhale and let your spine become flexible. Breathe in once more, lifting your chest upward. You can also lift your head to look up. Exhale and lift your ribs to engage your core, rounding your back high. Inhale and rotate your chest forward while pulling your shoulders back and rotating your arms outward. Exhale and round your back again, letting your shoulder blades slide downward. Return to a neutral position. Adjust by moving your left foot toward the center and extending your right leg back. Push firmly with both hands, keeping your back full. Inhale and lift your right leg, extending it long. Exhale and bend your right knee to touch your nose. We will do this 5 times to activate the deep core. Inhale back. Exhale and round your back while pulling in your abdomen. Inhale again, lifting your head and chest to look forward. Exhale and lift the front of your thigh higher to engage the hip flexors, abdomen, and chest. Flex your toes and shift your weight toward the right hand. Move your left hand forward and hold, or extend it fully while pushing back with your right foot. Focus on this diagonal balance to activate the muscles of the back and protect your spine. Now, lower your hand and switch sides. Step your right foot firmly and extend your left leg back. Exhale and lift your thigh. Inhale and extend backward. Exhale and bring your thigh towards your abdomen, reaching for your forehead. Inhale and extend back while lifting your head. Exhale and lift toward your chest. Inhale again and hold. Shift your weight to the left hand and move your right hand forward. You can extend it fully and flex your toes. Keep your left hip and right shoulder engaged. Tuck your ribs and push through the palm of your hand. Feel the balance and let the core muscles stabilize your joints. Now, bring your hand back. Move your knees slightly back for the extended puppy pose. Push forward with both hands. Exhale and use your hands to push your sit bones back. Lower your chest and chin to the floor and rotate your shoulders. Stay in this pose to stretch the deep core, abdomen, chest, and neck muscles that we just strengthened. You can hold this for 3 to 5 breaths. Finally, lie face down on your stomach and press the tops of your feet into the mat. Rotate your shoulders back to strengthen the back muscles.